Hey YouTube, this is Ron656. I just went to Kmart a little while ago and picked up something nice. I think you guys will be interested in it. And yes, it is a pocket knife, a Swiss Army knife. It has a lock, so you don't get any accidental closes. As you can see, it can't close unless I press this. It'll be able to close. So you press that once till you get it to there, and then you can close it. It comes with that knife, the big one. Comes with a bottle opener. Comes with a can opener. Comes with a smaller knife, and it comes with a corkscrew and two other things. A tweezer, which actually was useful today because I got a splinter on my foot. And it also comes with a toothpick, which I have really no use for at the moment. So yeah, this is a very nice pocket knife, Swiss Army knife. I really like it. The blade's not too big, but it's sharp. It's sharp, as you can see. It could cut through tape, wood, not like a big piece of wood, but like a branch about this small. It could cut through cardboard. It could cut through anything you want, really. I really like this pocket knife. Comes with the key ring, so you can put it on your keys. It's not that big, and it's not too small, just the right size. It has a nice handle grip, not grip, but a nice handle. Fingers go here, thumb goes here, and the knife is pretty cool, as you can see. I'd use this for carving stuff, cutting stuff, everyday use. Especially that it has the corkscrew and the bottle opener. I could use that, and the knife I could use for stuff as well. So that's really it, guys. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Like, it's necessary, and subscribing. Remember that. Peace. This is Ron656. I'll see you later.